kenda gutigira arutwo ba secondary bakwatira na kunyeria kithomo. Mubunge wekurwaga kaunti ya Meru Elizabeth Karambu nonekete gutara arutwo gwicumia mathomo na kunyeria buru gitumi kithomo kia Rubunguro ro Uturo. Ndeto na ciarite kirindiunga yake kiri chukuria Ntumburi Ndi Secondary School erere wa ndini ya Kibirichia.
I want to see each person's life has changed. And that's why you are here in this school. Sindio, are you listening? Yeah, you better listen. Because I want to encourage you. I went to school, Form 1. All of you, some of you here can be my grandchildren. Because I went to school a long time ago. Kamalisa Form 4, nkaenda Form 5 and 6. I'm not going to cheat you. I did not pass my exams for Form 5 and 6. I had one principal and I needed 3 principals to go to the university. But I didn't stop there. I went to college. I got a job. I went on helping myself. You know, like these days, you're lucky. You can start with certificate, then diploma, and then degree, as it was a bit difficult then. So I got my diploma, and from there I went and did my degree. And that's why I'm here. I didn't stop from there. I've pursued and pursued until I've come where I am today. So I believe you too can do the same.
No kagitania kumubungi oyo na kitikoria rito kwebebaniria na mitugo mithuku muno kiweta ndawa ciambukita kirima cukuru na kugitia kirete nkinya nini kiria rito no twitire no kuniburiku kana buriku.
I'm even happy mwalimu, no drugs and no drugs whatever, bangi and drinks. Don't let them destroy you, my dear children. Don't let mwago jwa dhai. You know, mwago is your 5 minutes, 20, 1 hour, and then you spoil your whole life. From 1 to Form 4 is the most important time of your life. And it's only 4 years. Only 4. Unajinyima, discipline ya kusoma, nini, 4 years. And then you go to the university or college. Yeah, you must go to college because you need that knowledge. So mine was just to come and encourage you.
Nkoroki kaidemia kiaria na ugete.
You should perfect yourself in whatever you do. Perfect yourself. You are an original. Na hakuna mtu alitoka kwa tumbo ya mamake bila sababu. Haki. Hakuna. Kila mtu aliletwa kwa hii dunia, Mungu alimkubali. The others who went very early, the others who even went when their mother's wombs, lakini wewe umefika hapa. Na kuna sababu uko hapa hata leo. So my dear children, I cannot overemphasize that you should have a goal in your life. I hear we are told if you have no plan, you can go anywhere because you have no plan. So you have to have a goal. What do I want for myself in my life?
Kuma wandini ya Kibirichia gicigo mbunge kia Buri ngiripotera Meru TV nyo kambitaga ki Mutegi.